Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I just got this package and I'm going to unbox this video, guys. I have a new cookware Cooker King, guys. So let's go ahead and unbox. So guys, one thing you guys know I like so much is cookwares. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this one from Cooker King. This is so cute, guys, like very little and very cute. So this is the 1.5 quart stainless steel saucepan, guys. Just look at this beauty over here. So let's go ahead and open this up and just see the inside and everything that it has to offer. You guys know that I appreciate it so much when brands take out time to package their products nicely. This is the instruction manual. It tells you how to care for this pot. Guys, look at the inside of this pot. The inside of this pot is lesser edged with ceramic non-stick coating, which is very strong and free of toxic chemicals. This pot also has another layer of stainless steel followed by forged aluminum core, while the outermost part is stainless steel, and this means that you can use this on an induction stove. Of course, it can also be used on an electric stove, ceramic stove, halogen, gas, hot plate. It is dishwasher safe and it is oven safe. One of the things that we can do, at least in this era, is to try and invest in healthy cookware. At least you sure that you're not emitting toxins into your food. I love the handle of this pot. It is very easy to grasp. Okay, if you want to get this pot, the link will be in my description box with discount code. So let's go ahead and watch this pot before we use it for the very first time. We are going to make a very healthy, nutrient dense meal which will be under 500 calories, guys. So here I'm going to pour 1 cup of zero fat milk into this pot, and this milk contains 90 calories. Next, I'm going to add a pack of this oat. A pack is 160 calories and it is so filling. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Chia seed is very high in fiber and it will keep you full for a long time. Next, I'll mix this around and cover it to cook for between 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, this is what we have. It is bubbling and it is almost ready, guys. I'm going to stir this around. Mind you that once this cools down, it is going to thicken up. If you want to reduce or cut the calories in yours, feel free to use water, but because I'm trying to make this high protein, I used milk. Next, I'm going to set this aside while we prep the fruits for this meal. Here I have 3 strawberries, and 3 of these strawberries weighs 80 grams, and I'm going to show you how I also check the calories using the Samsung health app in my phone. So go ahead and just type whether it is lunch or breakfast, then type in the name of the food you are searching. So here I'm going to type in strawberry, and here it will show me the caloric content of strawberries, and I'm going to add the gram, that's the weight. So I'm gonna type in 80 grams, which is just 25 calories, guys. I'm also going to do the same for the blueberries. So I poured in some blueberries, and then back into the app you will see that I have 48 grams, which is just 27 calories. Here is peanut powder, and 2 tablespoons are just 60 calories, guys, and contains so many grams of protein. I'm going to mix everything around, guys, and then we're going to plate our meal. Guys, the total calories in this meal is 422 calories, and it has 22.7 grams of protein, 9.8 grams of fat, and 68.8 grams of carb. Guys, this kept me full almost the whole day, and look at this, it is so nutrient dense. I want you guys to try out this breakfast. Use it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You're going to enjoy it. I'm going to go ahead and just clean this pot and show you guys how easy it is to clean. And remember that the code and the link to this pot will be in the comment section and in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.